is the lock, and we got instruction down here and USB for charge. Let's take a look at the lock. As the machine is new, we can put every of our fingerprint to open the lock. And now I'm gonna show you how to put our fingerprint in it. Put our fingerprint on the screen for like 5 seconds until the light turns blue. Now you can record multiple angles. When the green light keeps flashing, that means your fingerprint successfully recorded. And the other of your fingerprint cannot open it. So if you want to record your second fingerprint, you need to get the authorization from your first fingerprint. Just like the first step, put your fingerprint on the screen for like 5 seconds. Until the light turns blue and put your first. Now you can record your second fingerprint. That means successfully recorded. And if you want to delete your fingerprint, put your fingerprint on the screen for like 10 seconds. Don't worry about blue light until the light turns red. Now you can delete it. Successfully deleted. And if the machine is in low battery, you can use this USB for charge here.